Have you ever wondered what the best way to make money online is? It can be tough deciding what to do. Don't worry, in this video, I'll teach you how. But let's be honest, most people don't even know where to begin. First, avoid these common mistakes that a lot of beginners make. There's a lot of fake gurus out there who preach many different ways to make money online without considering people's level of knowledge and initial skill set. These methods can become overwhelming because you don't even know where to start. They often promise quick and easy way to make money, but the reality is making money online requires effort, learning, and persistence. I suggest you pick one thing and stick to it and be consistent. If you give up, you'll lose the opportunity of success that could be right around the corner, whether you're one video away or one sale away. Consistency is key as it builds up momentum and helps you improve over time. It's easy to get distracted by the next shiny object, but staying focused on one method will pay off in the long run. When I first started making a full-time income online, I struggled because, like you, I didn't know where to begin. So I did tons of research and bought some courses online to build a solid foundation to build off of. I learned that the key is to start small, focus on one method, and master it before moving on to the next. Eventually, I came across the best way to make money online. Now, the best way to make money online, I believe, is content creation. Why, you may ask? Well, first off, you don't need much to start. Just a camera, a microphone, and some determination. This is all you need to get started with short form content, which is good for gaining organic traffic and subscribers. Picking a niche is crucial. It allows you to target a specific audience and become an expert in that area. Content creation allows you to share your knowledge and passions with the world while building a loyal audience. The more value you provide, the more your audience will grow and the more opportunities you'll have to monetize your content. But if you want to take it to the next level, create long form content. You'll need the following tools to be successful. I recommend starting with CapCut because it's completely free and great for beginners. For advanced features, CapCut Pro is the way to go. Initially, if you don't know how to edit videos or lack any of the initial skills needed to use the following tools I'm about to mention, you could outsource the work you need done through Fiverr or Upwork. For thumbnails, you're going to want to use Canva, which is user-friendly. Or if you're more advanced, I'd recommend Photoshop, as the thumbnails are crucial. They're the first thing viewers see. A compelling thumbnail can significantly increase your click-through rate. Invest time in learning how to create eye-catching thumbnails, as this will greatly impact your video's performance. For script writing, use ChatGPT. Write a rough draft and insert it into the AI tool for a polished 100% original copy. This saves time and helps you create high quality content. Good scripts keep your audience engaged and ensure your videos are informative and entertaining. For SEO and video title suggestions on YouTube, use vidIQ. It's a powerful tool that helps you optimize your video for better search results and higher visibility. vidIQ provides insights on the best keywords to use, trending topics, and tips for improving your video's reach. Don't worry, I've included all the links in the description for all the tools that you need to succeed in content creation and making money online. These tools are designed to make the process easier and more efficient. They will help you streamline your workflow and enhance the quality of your content. If you still need help, I'm creating a step-by-step blueprint on the best way to make money online, offering phone consultation soon for more in-depth guidance, where I'll offer advice and channel reviews. Please support this channel by giving it a like and subscribe to stay up to date. Drop a comment below for any questions or concerns and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video where I'll show you how I beat the rat race and escape the matrix, leading me to make a full-time income. Stay motivated and keep pushing towards your financial goals.